Big Bob for the time to cut that with my kids off. It's cute you're trying to be an ass. Notice? Well, sometimes you expect to play a fight. I couldn't show them how to play a fight. I'm like, nah. And I was tired. I'm like, man, so much, man. I'm being serious. I'm really good, man. It's the perfect time. I just need time to do it right now. It was really perfect. I mean, instantly, not me. That's the thing. I know I'm always so proud. Really took that everything. So I got to make it mad. So I'm like, I know it's not the biggest of a fucking point. Like, you take something else. It just irritates me, like,
I go back to